Bucketeers, it is 4 a.m. on like a Thursday or something. I was called in super early for work, and I ended up next to a Love's truck stop. I paid way too much for these packs. Way too much. But you want to know why I did it? Because they're the last packs. We're going to do 9 packs per video. Because, plainly, I can't afford to do more than that in one video. These packs better have an Umbreon. That's like the only possible way that this is going to be worth it. If these don't have an Umbreon, I'm not sure I'm going to financially recover from this. Oh gosh, these are glued. Let me tell you what, those are glued. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we'll put those 9 off to the side before I lose count. Very good. Code card. What if I just ended this video the second I pulled a Umbreon? That would be hilarious. Treasure Energy, Ribbon Badge, Avalugg, Flabebe, Caravana, Dwebble, Mareep, Drowsy, Tentacool, Noivern V. That will be getting a sleeve, but honestly, I'm so freaking discombobulated. Oh, here we go. I just happen to have these next to me. I don't usually use these sleeves. What is that, an Ultra Pro? Throw that crap. Ultra Pro is definitely not a sponsor. Every sleeve I've used by Ultra Pro has not impressed me. Although, Ultra Pro, if you're watching, you're welcome to try. I'm definitely down to change my opinion. I would love to change my opinion. But I'm going to be honest, Ultra Pro, you've wronged me. You've wronged me. Oof. Shaking the whole desk. Bucka and I are in the midst of changing our recording setup completely. We've got cool new lighting coming. We've got a whole different set. I'm actually moving. So we're going to have a whole new set and everything. I don't know when exactly it's going to go into effect. I'm technically going to be moved like May. I hope like the 20th, but you may not see it actually reflected in our videos until probably May 30th or something like that. Code card. Let me know if you get something cool from that code card. I love hearing about stuff like that. Scroll of the Flying Dragon, huh? Snowleaf Badge, Treasure Energy, Petalil, Drowsy, Ribombee, and a holographic Slacking. I'm throwing trash on top of my pile of packs for the next video. That's pretty dumb of me. Next video, I'm going to pull all those packs into frame, and there's going to be a whole bunch of trash on top of it. So maybe I should start throwing it elsewhere. Honestly, right after this video, I am going to go to sleep. Shelgon, Ice-Cube, Hippopotas, Temple, Litleo, Eevee, Thievul. Truck Stop Heroes ride again. Except this time it's only one hero. Because it's like 5 a.m. or 4. I don't know what time it is right now. But it's late. My phone says it's about to die, but I don't believe it. I don't believe it. Pretty much this is Umbreon or bust. Zinnia's Resolve, Hippowdon, Tentacruel, Bagon, Lovedisc, Seedot, Slackoth, Flabebe, Florges, Holographic. Got one ultra rare so far. I would expect 3 out of this many packs. But you know what you get when you start expecting stuff out of truck stop packs. All you get is disappointment. Am I right, gamers? You don't need to answer that. I know I'm right. Crustle, Switching Cups, Cutie Fly. Felt like there was 2 cards stuck together on that one. Altaria and a Vigoroth reverse. These are definitely truck stop packs. At this point, there's no truck stop hero happening at all right now. There's more truck stop zero, or as Bucka would say, truck stop Charlie. I am definitely a truck stop Charlie at the moment. Come on, 3 packs. Let's do this. One more ultra rare, and I'll forgive you on this episode. Spirit Mask, Full Face Guard, Rescue Carrier, Lotad, Teddiursa, Cryogonal, Nickit, Dwebble, Reverse Slacking, and a Hydreigon Hollow. We're going to get every hollow at the Love's Truck Stop. Every hollow in the building. Go in there. Let me get every hollow in the whole building. And let me pay way too much for it. You mind? You mind letting me pay way too much? Truck Stop Heroes, baby. The only series that we continue out of convenience that will probably make me have to take out a second mortgage. Lombre, Fletchinder, Dino, Teddiursa, Feebas, Hoppip, Hitmonchan. Oh, man. Truck Stop Charlie. 1 pack left. This is it. I'm starting to feel down in the dumps. I got up at 4 a.m. Went into work. Here I am, a Truck Stop Charlie. Not even an Umbreon to show for it. Rubber Gloves, Floette, Boost Shake, Lotad, Teddy Ursa, Cryogonal, Nickit, Dwebble, Drampa. See you next time on the next episode of Truck Stop Heroes. You don't want to know how much I just paid for this card. I'll do the last 9 packs at the Love's Truck Stop in the next episode. Peace.